Okay, here it is, a style that came from Fresno. It's called the puppet. You know, it was based on, you know, marionettes or puppets, you know, as far as the strings.
About 78, 79.
About 78, 79. Could be like 77, you know.
Yeah, it could have been a little earlier.
But
when it got to us in Long Beach, it was 78.
78. So, again, this is a style that, you know, it was out for a few years, and again, no one does it because no one knows it, and other than Electric Boogaloos. So Skeeter Rabbit once again, and he's doing all the work. He's going to show you the puppet.
And this is directly out of the Electric Boogaloo camp, Fresno, California.
Let's check it out. Puppet style. Skeeter Rabbit. Puppet.